Welcome to the Geometric Suite SIMCA-online tutorial on how to add your own equations in Python as a pre-treatment step to your models. In this presentation, I will show you how to create a batch model in SIMCA with an embedded Python script pre-treatment and how it is applied in SIMCA-online. The workflow also has a quick guide which you can get from the sartorius.com Geometrics homepage. We start in SIMCA, where I have an imported batch dataset. Then I add the Developer tab to the ribbon so that it will be possible to create the script template. In the Developer tab, click on the add-ins and create a new pre-processing add-in. This will generate a template that needs to be edited to run in SIMCA and SIMCA-online. Give the filter a name and optionally also a prefix. That prefix will then be used for all variables where the new filter is applied. In this example, to show the basics of the workflow, I will add all selected variables together and calculate the average of the sum and the last row's sum together. And the result will end up in a new variable. To show you how SIMCA supports you in finding errors in the Python script, I have intentionally added 2 faults in the code. First, when loading SIMCA again, we cannot see any problem, but when we look for the script, it is not available. To find why, go to the Developer tab again and click on Verify. It seems that I have missed a parenthesis, so let's go back and fix it. When SIMCA is restarted, it complains about no capital T in true. Let's fix that too and restart SIMCA. The script is now available in the filters dialog and we can add it. Since more than one filter is allowed, you can also link several pre-processing steps into a chain of pre-processing events if desired. The plugin dialog that is opened lets you select the variables and observations that should be affected by the filter, meaning the dataset that is sent to the Python pre-processing step. If you now open the created dataset, then you can see the new created variable. And to view the script, right-click on the table and select Properties and change to the Pre-processing tab in the Properties dialog. Create your new models and upload the project to SIMCA-online. A warning will be visible in SIMCA-online to notify the user that the script exists and needs to be trusted to be used. Do the configuration in SIMCA-online and now you are ready to start monitoring. In the current implementation, there are a few limitations of the Python library. First, it is not thread safe, so only run maximum 1 configuration with the Python script on each server. Second, it does not allow the usage of external Python libraries. Thanks for watching this SIMCA-online how-to video. Check out our YouTube channel for more videos.